Smart travel tips for senior travelers. Start stress-free. Begin packing calmly to make your trip smoother. Pack smart carry-ons. Pack important things like headphones, a neck pillow, a sleep mask, a phone charger, and small toiletries in your carry-on bag. Stay comfortable on long flights. Wear comfy socks, pack a change of clothes, use packing cubes, stay hydrated, carry prescription medicine, and bring snacks for energy on long flights. Use luggage space wisely. Learn to pack efficiently by using lightweight suitcases, packing cubes, rolling clothes, and small toiletry containers. Essentials for international travel. Don't forget important items like a travel adapter, maps you can use offline, chargers, and local money. Stay organized everywhere. Keep organized with a luggage tag, a small bag for dirty clothes, and hand sanitizer and lotion. Easy mobility with light luggage. Get suitcases with wheels that move easily, especially if you're older. Get travel insurance for peace of mind. Make sure your travel insurance covers medical emergencies, trip changes, and lost luggage. Travel tips for traveling to the USA. If you're visiting the USA, get travel insurance for pre-existing medical conditions and know the rules for carrying medicine on flights. Keep important papers close. Keep your passport and other documents handy in your bag while traveling. Watch your bag weight. Check how heavy your suitcase and carry-on are to avoid extra fees. Pack smartly. Use a bag that fits all your stuff without being too heavy. Consider packing merino wool clothes for comfort. Make sure to choose good travel insurance, especially if you're older and visiting the USA. Compare plans before you buy. For more details, visit www.onshorecare.com. We provide a wide range of travel insurance plans, including plans that cover pre-existing medical conditions.